hope you're having an awesome day so far. I'm Maddie. Today I'm going to be making a set of lip balms. I'm going to be making some horchata lip balms and some peppermint lip balms. So I hope you enjoy the video. I just finished washing and drying off all the utensils I'm using, the bowl and these two utensils that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to talk a lot while I measure because I don't want to mess it up. But I will have a recipe, the recipe that I'm using, all my weights and everything, in the description box so that you can try to make your own lip balms if that's what y'all want to do. I'm starting out with the horchata fragrance lip balm. Horchata is a Mexican drink with like coconut milk and rice milk or something like that. I've never had it before, but I'm told that it tastes really good. And of all the 4 or 5 fragrances, lip flavors, I guess, that this lady ordered last time, she said that horchata was her favorite, which makes me really happy because that means I'm doing something right. 0.45. So now I'm making some more horchata lip balms. The horchata is also the easiest because it doesn't need any dye. Lip balm in general is an easy recipe to make anyways. Avocado oil. It's really straightforward. You don't have to worry about if you're going to mess it up or if it's going to seize or change color or anything like that, because you can see everything as you're making it. So it's definitely the easiest thing that I make, that I think a beginner, soapy, crafty person who wants to do stuff like this, lip balm is definitely the easiest thing. This is the first time that I'm using this vitamin E oil. It's from Nature's Garden, so it's a darker color than I'm used to. I'm hoping that it won't affect my lip balm color. Alright, I'm going to move this so I have a little more room. I don't need to measure anything out anymore because I've got everything that I need to measure in weight already in here. So I'm going to put my aloe vera extract in. 1 milliliter. I'm putting 1 milliliter of aloe vera extract. And aloe vera extract, of course, comes from aloe vera plant, which is really good. People use it a lot on sunburns, so it's going to help out just a little bit for windburn and or sunburn. Not a whole lot. Not enough to like be SPF or anything like that, but it will do something. It kind of just contributes to what it does. It has vitamins and everything in it as well, so it's not going to feel any different than if I hadn't put aloe vera extract in it. This is my horchata flavor oil. I think all of my flavor oils, most if not all of my flavor oils, from Nature's Garden. They have a pretty good selection, pretty good variety. I've found a couple of websites that have more options, but especially since I don't make a whole lot of lip balms, it does good for me. Pour this in. I got the tubes and the tray from Brambleberry. It holds 50, the tray holds 50 lip balm tubes, but I don't have that many in here right now. But it's definitely useful when I get really, really big orders, which I've only gotten one so far. All of my horchata lip balms. I'm also going to make a peppermint one, which will be my next order of business. Back after washing all my stuff, my couple of things. I'm going to make the same recipe again. I'm just going to use peppermint essential oil instead of the fragrance oil that I was using before. Alright. So my lip balms are definitely my most popular product that I make. I live in Texas, I live in South Texas, so it gets really hot. So chapstick in general and lip products in general are pretty common, pretty popular. However, I think part of what sets it apart is, what sets my lip balms apart is that they don't melt in your car when it gets really hot. I use my lip balm and I keep it in my car, and a lot of people keep it in their car. And they've told me that my lip balm, they'll leave it overnight in the summer in their car, or I've left mine on a normal basis in my car on just the other day. It was like 95 degrees, 97 degrees outside, and it got a little bit soft, I won't lie, but it did not melt the way a normal chapstick would normally melt. Until recently, I kept regular chapstick in my car, because that was what I used. And I could definitely tell the difference. I don't think my lip balm has ever, in the last 2 years that I've been using my lip balms, keeping them in my car, I don't think that I've ever gotten in the car and opened my lip balm to a gooey mess like I have for my chapsticks, when I have to be a little more careful opening my chapsticks when I get in the car. So it's pretty nice, and it's especially useful for people who live in hotter places like South Texas, like I live. And I'm going to put my aloe vera extract in, a little bit extra vitamin E. I'm going to put my aloe vera extract in before I microwave it. It doesn't matter if you put it in before or after. I forgot about it last time, so I put it in after. So I'm going to microwave it. Alright. So I'm not sure how much of the essential oil it's going to take to flavor this lip balm. It doesn't take a whole lot, especially since I'm using a stronger, what's supposed to be a stronger scent fragrance. So I'm gonna have to kind of experiment. I have a butter knife in my freezer right now, and I'm gonna take advantage of that. I should have put another one. I have a butter knife in my freezer, so you can use what I guess is called a frozen spoon technique. I use a knife, and you freeze something that's metal, and then when you're done with your lip balm recipe, you put that metal thing into the lip balm, and it freezes on the metal that is frozen, and you can try it out on your lips and see if it's a good consistency or not. I'm going to put in this green mica. I'm I'm still not sure if green is the best color, if I should have gone with red. I have a lot of red and pink lip balms, so I didn't want a whole another red one. But I don't know if this is going to be a good green or not, because I don't want it to be too green. I want it to be kind of like a mint green. But I know that peppermint tends to come in a red color. If you want to let me know if I should have done a red or a green for my lip balm, that would be really useful, because then next time I can do a different color if I need to. If you think that it'll work out better with a red instead of a green. Let's mix this in really good. You have to use Lip Safe Mica and Lip Safe colorant. I use mica as my colorant. And Lip Safe fragrance. So I'm using an essential oil. I'm only going to use half a milliliter, which I'm hoping, well, I guess I'm going to use, about half a milliliter, so hopefully that's enough, because it's kind of all I have. I'm going to start with just a couple of drops, though, since it's all that I have. And it's really strong. You can already smell it. I've had it open for a few minutes, waiting for everything to get ready, and it smells my entire kitchen. So, not all essential oils are lip safe. In fact, from Brambleberry, what they sell, only a handful of their essential oils are lip safe. This is peppermint second distilled, so it's steam distilled twice, and it's lip safe. It's the only essential oil that I have that is lip safe. So I think it's mixed in pretty good. I'm hoping that I didn't put too much green. Alright, and you can see it's all frozen on there. Kind of takes a second for the mint to kick in, so I'm going to put a couple more drops. In the video tutorial where Soap Queen and Anne-Marie uses, oh man, it's kind of hitting me hard now, I'm regretting putting those couple of drops in. I can always make an extra thing, put more lip balm batter in if I need to, and I'll just put the extra in an old jar for me to make again. I'm kind of sensitive to peppermint though, so I don't really like peppermint, so it's not too bad. It's good enough for me, but I don't like peppermint, so it's a little bit, I assume, a little bit thin for someone who would like peppermint. I'm going to use the other end this time. And that's about what color it's going to be, kind of there on the end, is what color it's going to be, which I think is a good color for the peppermint. It's not too dark, which I'm glad for. Yeah, that seems pretty good. That seems alright. I probably have a couple drops left of peppermint, but I don't want to put too much. So I'm going to fill up the rest of these. Pour it in. This tray actually makes cleaning up my lip balm super easy, because I don't drip it all down the sides of my tubes. It gets, for the most part, inside my tubes. Alright. Let's see how many this makes. And I'll also find out if this color is too dark or not. I use less than one of those spoonfuls of Shamrock Green Mica. Brambleberry, however, has changed, I think, it's not that one, has changed their recipe or provider maybe for their Shamrock Green, because I have a green sample of several sample-sized green micas from Brambleberry, and that Shamrock Green that came in that one is lip safe, but then I bought a 2-ounce one for some soaps that I was making, and my 2-ounce thing of Shamrock is not lip safe. So I think they changed either providers or their ingredients for their mica, because now my big thing isn't lip safe anymore. just enough to fill this last one up. I'm just going to melt the wax that's solidified itself. And I should have just enough for this last lip balm tube, which is going to be the last lip balm tube that I have available right now. And that's my lip balm recipe. It's really easy. It's really fast. It only takes me about 5 minutes, maybe 10, depending on what I'm doing, on how many I'm making, to make just a small thing of lip balm. So I've already gotten 2 lip balms done. Now I'm going to wait for them both to dry. The horchata's already dry. I'm going to wait for the peppermint to finish drying. And then I'm going to clean them up, fill in any divots on the very top, and put my labels and saran wrap on them and make them look super pretty. Alright, so that's my video. I ended up having to make a small thing of peppermint lip balms again, because the peppermint that I used, I put a little bit too much fragrance oil in it. You can probably tell in the video that I realized I put way too much at the end. So I had to redo the peppermint. But other than that, everything went according to plan. Everything was normal. I'm going to leave a link in the description for my Etsy shop, my Facebook page, my Instagram page, so you can like and follow me, keep up to date with all the things that I'm doing, all the new things that I'm trying out. My horchata lip balm will not be in my Etsy shop because all of the horchatas that I made today are going towards the order that I was filling up. But this is what they look like. They're super cute. Most of my lip balms have this little. So I hope you have an awesome rest of your day and keep being cool.